We hit 30 subscribers. Yeah. In my mouth. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm gonna react to one video of daily dose of internet. Let's get that daily dose. Boop. I'm in the corner. Let's get going.
These are the craziest nature videos from the past 10 years.
Oh, crazy storms. Oh, oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Oh, the ice is melting.
This man went on a tour boat to visit the glaciers in Iceland when a piece of the glacier actually broke off and
Oh my
fell
gosh.
into the water.
This is what they've been talking about. You know, everything is getting warmer and ice is melting. I would not even just say wow.
The wildest thing I've ever tried in my life.
Oh, well, yeah. Oh gosh, nobody was hurt. Oh my god. That was so
Back
close.
in 2017, Greenland was hit with a tsunami.
A tsunami? Run, guys! Don't care about your shit. Oh my god. Why are they just standing there?
Back in 2020, this cruise ship was on its way to Ireland when it ran into some pretty heavy waves.
Oh god. Shit is gonna fly. Oh my god, is he okay?
In 2016, these people were hiking in Argentina when they realized that they were in a really bad spot.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What's happening? Oh my god. Seconds away from disaster. Like, actually somebody getting killed.
This guy was loading up his car when he realized that he forgot his wallet.
Oh my god, I actually fucking jumped.
Back in 2018, this massive mudslide in Switzerland was caught coming down a mountain.
Oh no. It looks like concrete. Oh my god. This is crazy. Woman, get away! Get away! Oh no. Oh, I seen this video actually.
In 2023, this driver in China was almost hit by these falling rocks.
Oh no, this actually is a very... This happens a lot here in Norway too, actually.
In 2014, this volcano exploded in Papua New Guinea and it created a huge shockwave.
Shockwave. When is it hitting them? Oh shoot.
On November 30th, 2018, a 7.0 earthquake hit Alaska.
Oh my. No shoes. Yeah. Alaska, huh?
This volcano in Indonesia erupted and created some of the craziest volcano lightning you will ever see.
Ooh. Wasn't this recent? I seen a video of this, I think. I mean, I don't know what you guys consider recent, but...
Nebraska had some pretty crazy tornadoes earlier this year.
I don't know how I would even... Like, I don't think I could live there.
A super rare event happened that allowed parts of Southern California to receive snow.
Look at that guy going down the mountain.
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
No lightning?
Like, our The street is starting to flood.
Imagine seeing this on your way to work. This is what the morning commute looked like for people driving into Los Angeles back in December.
Oh, that must be so
2017.
hot. I remember this. I actually haven't seen anything from
Back
this.
in 2019, this giant landslide happened in China.
It's already been happening, it seems like. Oh, that person is so lucky. Are they lucky still though?
About 12 months ago, a super intense
I don't
tornado
know.
went past this guy's house in Illinois.
Oh gosh. A tornado? Or a hurricane? Close your door.
This hailstorm in Texas was so intense that the hail started coming inside the home.
They tried blocking that
Outside in
out.
the rain and had to go get it.
Wait, what was out in the rain?
About 7 months ago, these people in China were dealing with some pretty crazy wind.
Oh my god. No, get off
Here's
it!
another rockslide video that happened in China in 2023.
What am I looking at?
Back in 2015, Los
Wow.
Angeles had a very
Oh my
rare
god.
tornado
I can't.
event.
You know, I'm actually so lucky to be, you know, living in the place that I live at. Because these things that happen here.
About 6 years ago, these people recorded their escape from a wildfire in California.
Was it actually a wildfire or was it started by somebody? This is insane. That must be so hard to drive through that. I don't even know. Like,
This reporter in France got a little too close to this wave.
no, her. Oh no, girl. Yeah.
Back in
I hope she's
2018 in
okay.
Hawaii, this car was parked in the worst spot possible.
Uh-oh. Nothing they can do. Is it gonna get eaten up? Look at it. Oh my god, look at it. It's gone now.
In May 2016, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Kansas was spotted.
What? Why are people driving to a place like this? It's like so dangerous. But I mean, people. What people do, I can't.
Underwater than above water,
I don't-
but this is kind of crazy.
Yeah, right? That's what people say. It's just the tip of the iceberg. I actually wonder how old that is.
In
The
Pakistan
ice?
in 2018, these people got a little too close to this avalanche.
Nah, they're not gonna celebrate the fact that they're gonna die. Like, what?
In 2020, this plane was struck by lightning when flying over Finland.
It's snowing too.
This giant
Holy
boulder came
shit.
within inches of crushing this house.
Oh my gosh.
Unfortunately, 2 other boulders managed to break free and destroy the other side of the house.
Nobody was hurt, sis, so
In
that's good.
2019, this cruise ship near Norway encountered some heavy seas.
Yeah, it depends on what season you choose to
In
go out in a boat.
2021,
It's
these
just
people were
not
rock
safe.
climbing in Japan when an earthquake happened.
At least they're on top, but it's still not safe.
This snowboarder in Nevada accidentally triggered a giant avalanche.
Oh my. Where's he at? I hope he's okay.
This video
That's
from 2015 shows some sailors
insane.
about to take on a giant wave.
Oh, I'm getting seasick just by looking at this.
In 2021, these firefighters were driving through some pretty crazy wildfires in California.
Oh my gosh, I never seen these videos. The winds were crazy.
A 6.7
it seems
magnitude earthquake interrupted this couple's wedding.
6.7. Oh my god. At least they're out in the
His dad
open.
tried to save his
That's
trampoline
good.
from being blown away in the wind.
Bennett, get out of there.
Yeah, get out of there. What are you doing?
Oh. Oh.
Why do you
Oh
care
my
about a trampoline that much?
Bennett!
Yeah, no, you shouldn't care
This
about your
video from
materials.
Guatemala is probably the only video in the world like
Oh
this.
my god. It's making patterns. What?
This is called a crown flash, and it was spotted in Florida back in 2020.
Crown
I hope
flash?
it's on the camera. I can't even see the screen. Holy!
What is that?
Whoa! Look at that! The red one. You see that?
Sometimes during a snowstorm, you can actually get
What?
lightning.
What causes that?
Whoa!
In April 2022, this massive tornado hit Kansas.
Holy shit. Just takes everything comes across.
This is what it's like to get struck by lightning when you're in the cockpit of a plane.
Yeah. Oh my
In
goodness.
2018, one of the biggest tornadoes in the history of Wyoming
I'm like,
was reported.
I'm too stunned to speak. That's huge. I don't even see this in my fucking. Is there somebody sitting in that car? If why are people taking these risks? Oh my god. What? Oh my god.
In 2018, 4 waterspouts emerged on the coast of Thailand.
They're like, it's too much water on the
Illinois
earth.
randomly
Let me
opened
suck it up.
earlier this year.
What happened? Oh, I've seen so many of these. I saw one that happened in the pool. In a pool, like, not too
They
long
were
ago.
driving down a road in Sydney, Australia, when this happened.
Wow!
Oh my god.
This guy was in a pool when an earthquake happened in Taiwan earlier this year.
What do you do when you're in a pool and that happens? I mean, I guess you get.
This house in Hawaii was devoured by lava back in 2018.
Is that a house? Oh. Oh no, that's a house, but half of it. Shit, that's so
These
crazy.
houses in Montana got buried under some tumbleweeds.
Some. Many of them. What? What are even tumbleweeds? Are they like a part of a bush? The fuck? Oh my god. Why are you sitting so close to the window? That's like a nightmare.
Oh my god!
Oh no. Why are
Back
they
in
so happy?
2022,
Oh my
a huge
god.
meteor
So
lit up
scary.
the sky in Idaho.
Oh, look at that. Oh my god, it's like daytime. Shoot.
In 2020, a snowstorm in New York mixed with freezing rain, turning their homes into ice.
No way. No way. What?
In June 2020, a massive landslide took place in Norway and went into the sea.
Yeah, I remember this. Seeing this on the news, and I was like, I just can't have a reaction to this. It's sped up, by the way, I think.
All the homes were empty, so luckily nobody was hurt.
Yeah, but still. We
In
gotta live by the
2022,
beach,
Puerto
guys.
Rico had flooding that was so severe
No.
that it destroyed the bridge.
But I guess it wasn't built to not be destroyed by water in that mass. Oh. Oh my god.
In 2019, a glacier in Iceland fell into the water, creating a massive wave.
Oh gosh, you know, them being so close to the water like that. Oh my god, guys. I don't hope anybody get injured. Okay, well.
These tourists on a cruise ship
good, I
suddenly
guess.
experienced some extreme static electricity. This is actually a pretty scary warning sign, as it means lightning could strike at any moment.
Hopefully they have a lightning catcher or like, you know.
In 2019 in Amsterdam, this tornado was created within seconds.
What the? Yeah, tornado.
What the? And honestly, I don't even know what creates a tornado. Hurricanes I know, because like the Gulf, you know, the warm water and like the friction, I
Wyoming had
guess,
some pretty
between the
strong
cold
winds
and
that happened
the
earlier
hot,
this year
but
in April 2024.
maybe it has some. Oh gosh, it's windy, huh?
This
Is he,
giant
did he
tornado
save
was
that?
seen moving through Canada.
Yeah, dude, this is like nightmare fuel for me.
That is
Nature.
the end of this video. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.
Later. Let's go back into this. Let's just look at.
That is.
Yes, okay. Now that's crazy. It's something, I mean, I'm very scared of. It's waters, because the water is very deep. And then, I mean, you never know what's gonna happen from now on, because, I mean, they're saying there's so much shit going on, right? Like the temperature is going up everywhere. And then with temperature going up, there's gonna be more crazy storms. So I'm a bit nervous for like January, February, and March. That's usually when the craziest storms happen here, because it's the coldest. And I'm just, last year, or this year actually, it was pretty intense with a lot of wind storms, but wasn't anything crazy like that. But I just hope nobody loses their lives and all that good stuff. I hope everybody stays safe. You guys should stay safe and take care of yourselves. And if you have been involved, I hope that you can find a place to keep yourself safe when stuff like this goes down. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.